Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve today's LeetCode problem of the day, that is divide players into teams of equal skills, and the difficulty of this problem is medium. I don't know why the difficulty level of this problem is medium. It's like a very easy question if you just an basic observation based questions. So the question says like you are given an array of size n where n always will be an even numbers, okay, and you need to divide it into n by 2 numbers, n by 2 parts, like you have to divide in in a pair of n by 2, okay, okay, and like in such a way that yeah, the sum of every pair will be equal, and if it's not possible then you have to return the -1, and if it is possible then you have to return the sum of the product of each pair, like is equal to the product of the skills of the player, like you have prepared a pair and you have to return the product of each pair, okay. So let's understand the problem. Let's take this example. What happened? Wait, that will take an example. 325134, 325134, 325134. If you look into this, like you have to make n by 2 pairs in such a way the sum of every pair will be equals. So how is it possible? Like let me first of all let me sort this array. Okay, 1, 2, 3, another 3, another 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 3, and then we have 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, so how you can create pair? Like you have to make n by 2 pairs and the sum of every pair needs to be equals. So what we know, if the first number is less, then what do you want? The second number should be largest. Why? Because if we take these two numbers, then the pair of these two will be always greater than this. Understood? Like if we took these two numbers, then the pair of any numbers in from this range will always be less than this, because these two are the largest one, largest and second largest, and every element which is the left of this is will be always less than this. So we understood that we will take the first last, second last, है ना? So by this way we can create a pair equal. If is it possible, then it will become equals. Like here if we take like 5 and 1, it will be equals to 6, 2 and 4 equals to 6, 3 and 3 equals to 6, and it is possible. Like, and what we need to return, like if we take the pair of 1 and 5, then the product of 1 and 5 will be 5, plus if we take 2 and 4, 2 and 4, then product of it will be 4 to 8. Now if we take 3 and 3, then its product will be 9, and we have to return the sum of all the products. So it will be 9, 8, 17, 5, 22. Let me take another example. 3 and okay, 1, 1 and 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Here what is? Yeah, it is already sorted. So we have to take 1 and 3. It will be 4. And like here 1 and 2. It's not equals to 4. It's 3. So 4 and 3 not equals. Then we have to return -1. Got it? And like if you wonder why this is possible, another case is not possible. So let me explain one thing. 3 to 5 1. 3 2 5 1 2 4, or we can say 1 2 3 3 4 and 5. So like let's assume if we take any two numbers, these 2 and 4, 2 and 4 is 6, okay, then if we take 1 and 5, sorry, we have to take the right way. Like let's assume we take 2 and 3, it's 2 and 3 equals to 5, okay. Then if we take 2 and 3, then these needs to be come from any numbers, and if we want to like make it 5, we will take it 4 plus 1 5 है ना, plus to 5, these two are gone. Then the both the numbers are of this pair are on the right side of this pair. So what does this mean? This means that both the numbers should be greater than the sum of the pair will be greater than the this pair, so we cannot take it. So we will try to do it in such a way like one element should be in the leftmost, then second in the rightmost, second smallest, second largest, third smallest, third largest, and so on. So let's move on to the coding part. So first of all, we need to sort the array. Uh, let me refresh it. So we have to sort this array, and we need to take the length, dot length, and we will iterate from port int I equals to 0 to I is less than ny2 and I plus plus. And now we initially we can take like sum, store it in something like int sum equals to skills of 0 plus skill of n minus 1. Okay, now we will check if sum not equals to skill of I plus skill of n minus 1 minus I, then we need to return minus 1, and otherwise we need to make another variable long result equals to initially it will be initialized as 0, and now we can add the product of each pair. We can do something like that, skills of I cross skill of n minus 1 minus I. Got it? And like at the end we need to return the result. Return result. Okay. This is a solution. Like if we run it, so it's got accepted. It's get accepted. So let me tell you the time and space complexity of this code. Here we took the built-in sorting. So the it takes big of n log n, because you know the sorting takes n log n time complexity. So its time complexity will be n log n. And if we talk about space complexity, we doesn't use any another data structure for this. So the space complexity will be unit. So we can like say the time complexity of this problem is, this question is time complexity big of n log n, and space complexity will be big of 1. That's it. Hope you like the video, and like if you like, then please subscribe and so on.